if you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction is very special. Not just because it's a BTS reaction, but this is one of their live performances. This is the Idol performance that they did in MMA. Melon Music Awards, right? That's the full form, I'm guessing. So this was requested by one of the armies. It was that army's birthday last week, and this was a birthday request. So yes, I am all in for fulfilling that request. So here is me reacting to the Idol live performance. I love Idol. You know I love that song so much. So yeah, all right. Ooh. Oh my god, look at that stage! Damn, really excited. Ah, homie! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. This is a 6 minute 30-second performance video, so yeah. He's a dance king. He's a dance king. Woo! Oh, I love how the sounds very traditional. I mean, it doesn't sound like the studio version. So I think they've tweaked the song a little bit because it sounds so traditional, and it looks. Look at that entire traditional that they're wearing the traditional outfit. What is it called? Hanbok, right? So, oh wow, oh my god, yes, yes. Oh my god, Jimin is so smooth, man. Jimin is. Oh! Look how well coordinated they are! Oh! Yes! Cookie! I love how at the background, I mean the music is going, but at the background, tang 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 tang, the Idol beat is also playing very very faintly. Tan, 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 tan. Yes! Oh, I love this traditional touch in the song. What? Yeah, my expression is also like that. Look at that stage. Armies? Okay. Oh my god, I cannot wait for them to start the song. Oh my god. Why is BTS so iconic, man? Oh, they're still standing behind. Woo! Look at the crowd, and this is an award show. This is an award show, right? This is not even a concert. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! You can stop me loving myself. Oh! I love that traditional beat. Sorry. Oh my god. That traditional beat. Yes! I love it! This traditional beat sound is, oh my god. I need this version! I need this version! The traditional version! Oh my god! They are gonna be the cause of my death, huh? BTS will eventually be the cause of my demise because they are so iconic. Oh my god. I can't. Their stage presence is just. Yes! Oh, Jin sounds amazing live. I know the audio track is still playing, but I know I can make out that they're singing live. How are they singing and dancing and being so legendary at the same time? I'm bowing down to you forever, forever. BTS, Bangtan Sonyeondan. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm dying! Are you seeing? I can match the steps, so you can understand, armies, how many times I would have watched the Idol MV. I have watched all their MVs, whatever once I react to anything, then I just get addicted to that thing. You know, it's like their MVs are so good. Oh my god. Why are they so good? Icons! They're living legends. They are. First, let me stop this because these guys, BTS, are living legends. They're legends. They are just I know I'm hyperventilating, but I'm just so energized after watching this. This I can't believe I didn't know about. I can't believe I didn't know about. I feel angry at myself. I can't believe I did not know of their existence. I can't believe this. This is not okay. They are. Oh God. These guys, their stage presence is no joke. Look at the energy that they brought to this performance. How amazing they sound live. How they're dancing, they're singing, I swear, if I don't attend at least one concert of theirs, I'm gonna regret it. I'm just gonna regret it. I am like, I am adamant, I'm freaking adamant that I will ensure that in my lifetime, before they disband, I attend their concert once. It's like now, it's not like I want to watch them live now. It is like I have to watch them live. I just freaking have to watch them live once. I loved it. This was iconic. This is an iconic performance. Like, whoever were there present, like, of course this is a award show, so all the celebrities were there. I'm saying the audience, the armies who were there. You are so lucky to witness this live. I got so energized. This is like such a small laptop screen that I'm watching this on. Imagine watching this live. Imagine those sounds and the sets, the stage. Whoever is the I know I'm just going gaga over the boys, but let me just tell you, whoever is the set designer, the stage designer, whoever was in charge of designing the entire stage, you have done an incredible job. Incredible. Whoever was in charge of lighting, the way the lighting was coordinated, you have done an amazing job. All the backup dancers, all of them, their costume, whoever is the stylist for them, I just want to applaud. Because see, a live performance is even not just a live performance, even when you're shooting a video, I know that yes, the boys are the main, center of attention and all the focus is on them, but we tend to forget the background, like the background people, the staff who are working day and night to get everything, like bring this performance to us. So all the staff, everybody who has been coordinating, the director of this entire sketch, who shot, the choreographer, how well everything was, the lighting, the stage, the set, everything. Iconic. Freaking iconic. So yeah, before I can, you know what, I have to, somewhere I have to stop now, because I can just go on and on and on and on about BTS at this point. So yes, that was my reaction to their 2018 MMA Idol live performance. I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I hope you danced with me also a little bit. You enjoyed watching this and also jamming to the song. Idol itself, such an energetic song this is. So yes, I hope you guys have come till the end of the video. If you're a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.